I originally went through the last cohort that followed through the Caldwell Community College program. I heard about the Hickory campus opening up, and since I live in the foothills, I said, this is very convenient. Things just all fell into place. It was scary at first, for sure, but App State Hickory was 100% the perfect choice for me. The professors that they have at App State Hickory, and even the ones that drive down from the Boone campus, they are truly dedicated to creating passionate teachers. And I think that that's a wonderful testament to App's education program, is the dedication that all of the faculty and staff have. And it's almost like we're leaving their nest, and we share that true connection with all of our professors. So I am a third generation App student, soon to be grad. Both of my parents received bachelor's and master's degrees from Appalachian State. I wouldn't be here without them, literally and metaphorically, but they have been my biggest cheerleaders through all of my losses and hardships and setbacks, and I owe everything to them. Walking across the stage in May is gonna feel surreal, completely and entirely. It's hard to think about now because I'm stuck in the process of getting there. It does make me emotional to think about.